In this video, I will show you the 5 ways video content can help skyrocket your search engine rankings. Welcome, I'm John. Did you know that according to Forresters, a web page which has a video on it is 53 times more likely to rank on the first page of Google than a page without it? Why is this? Well, that's exactly what we'll be exploring in this video. But before we begin, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel so that every time we release one of our videos to help with your video marketing, you get notified. And in the comments below, let me know if you are using video as part of your SEO strategy. Yes or no? So let's get started. Factor 1. Videos can rank directly in search results. The first and probably the most obvious way video can help with your search rankings is that your videos can rank directly in Google's search results, independent of your website. Over the last few years, Google has been giving a growing importance to video in its search results. If you do some common Google searches, you will notice videos appearing on the first page. And what's more, most of the videos appear near the top of the search results, which is a trend that is likely to continue. Alongside this, you've probably noticed that Google has a Videos tab at the top of its search results as well, which shows results only for videos. So if you're publishing videos as part of your content strategy, you also have a chance of ranking in these search results. These are typically, for most niches, a lot less competitive to rank for when compared to ranking in the text-based search results. Some of the factors which affect how well your videos directly rank in Google's search results include your video's heading, description, and tags, which should be relevant to the keywords you want to rank for, the quality and relevancy of your video content itself, the strength of the backlinks pointing to your video, and some lesser known things such as Google's video schema markups. Factor 2. Increase in time on site. The time your website visitors spend on a page of your website is known as time on page, and the time your website visitors spend on your site as a whole before leaving it is known as session duration. Both of these metrics are available in your Google Analytics panel and are indicators Google uses to help determine how people are engaging with your website. Basically, the more time people spend on your landing page and the longer they spend on your website as a whole, the better Google thinks you are at meeting your visitors' needs. And as video is proven to increase the time people spend on your website, video will naturally benefit your SEO efforts on this front. To understand this point better, here at Spiel, we recently took the time out to survey 60 SEO professionals who had actively started using video as part of their SEO strategy. The survey's aim was to help find out what impact video content had on their SEO campaigns. And guess what we discovered? A whopping 93.3% of the SEO professionals we surveyed had noticed an increase in time on page after they had started using video content. In the description below, I have included a link to our survey, so make sure you check it out. Factor 3. Reduction in bounce rate. Bounce rate is another metric that Google actively uses to determine how engaging and relevant your website is. Bounce rate is defined as the number of visitors who leave your website after visiting just one page on it. If your bounce rate is very high, Google assumes that your web pages are not satisfying the needs of its users very well, and will eventually over time lower your rankings. Adding video to your landing page can be a great way of reducing your bounce rate. This fact has been observed in numerous studies, such as the one conducted by Content Analytics, that found that bounce rates for video blogs is on average around 34% lower than the rest of the pages on the same site. And our very own SEO survey found that of the 60 SEO professionals that we surveyed, an impressive 63.3% had noticed a direct improvement in their bounce rate after adding video content to their sites. So, in a nutshell, if you are struggling to decrease your website's bounce rate, adding engaging video content could be a good solution. Factor 4. Increase in brand strength. As often mentioned by leading SEO gurus such as Neil Patel and Brian Dean, your brand strength has a significant impact on your search engine rankings. All else being equal, Google will rank websites with a stronger brand strength higher than those lacking in a strong brand. Two important factors which help Google determine a website's brand strength are the number of brand-related searches which are performed for your website, the amount of direct traffic your website generates. Let's look into how video can help with both of these, starting with brand-related searches. Video is great for increasing your brand-related searches. This is because if people have watched your videos on social media platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn, they're more likely to search your brand to learn about you. Makes sense, right? Another important question we asked in our survey was, after using video content, had the SEOs noticed an increase in brand-related searches for their website? And the result? 70% of SEO professionals had noticed a direct, clear improvement in brand-related searches after adopting video. Again, pretty impressive, right? In regards to direct traffic, according to Brian Dean of Backlinks, this is something that Google does give importance to in its algorithm. Think of it this way. There are two websites which discuss a particular subject, let's say snowboarding, and one gets over 100,000 direct visitors a month, and the other only a few hundred direct visitors a month. Which is Google likely to view as being a more trustworthy source of information on that topic? And it's no surprise that publishing video content regularly on your website and social media channels is likely to, over time, lead to a lot more direct traffic to your site, as a growing number of people start engaging with your content. Factor 5, increase in backlinks. We all know that the more good backlinks a website has, the better it will rank in search engines. But good backlinks can be notoriously difficult to acquire, which is why most people struggle with it. But surprisingly, not many people think of using video specifically as a way to acquire more high-quality backlinks to their content. Did you know that according to the SEO whizzes at Moz, content that includes video usually attracts a whopping 3 times more inbound links than content without video? So if you aren't using video as part of your link building strategy, you are likely to be missing out. But don't worry, in the not too distant future, we will be releasing a video which will cover some of the most effective ways to use video to acquire good quality backlinks. So make sure you stay tuned. I hope you found this video insightful and that it inspired you to consider creating video content to support your SEO efforts. If you have enjoyed it, then please also remember to subscribe to our channel so that you get notified each time we release more content. And if you need any further help with your video marketing, then you can get in touch with us here at Spiel at www.spielcreative.com. Thanks for watching.